This is Columbus Cove Beach. It's a bit of a water park, a little water slide.
A water slide actually works?
Yeah. Beautiful though.
Where there's a fish that size, there's one even bigger somewhere else. Waiting to get that one.
This is Adrenaline Beach. You get the dragon coaster up there. You get both zip lines, the one where you're doing a Superman, the one where you're seated. And you got the floating bar. Oh, by the way, all those cabanas over there are for rent. But the umbrellas and all the beach chairs that you see are free. So you can see the trams going by over there. You walked up into this beach area. We're sitting over there. Nice beach here. I believe this is Nellie's beach. Columbus Cove is around the corner where all the water toys are. So I take a look in here to see what these look like, because it looks like a lot of them are empty. Get a little sectional couch. There'll be a cooler. It'll be full of water, usually popping water, and ice. They'll bring some fruit. They'll bring some things over for you. Big ottoman, 2 big seats. Chase's umbrella, and it's all covered. And there's even a fan. There's electric, so you can actually do some charging of your devices. This one is the closest to the beach. It has a ramp access if you have accessibility issues, and it's pretty much a zero entry beach from there. Let's go up here to Columbus Beach.
We never went anywhere other than that little thing last time, so I didn't even know about this.
Oh. This is Columbus Cove Beach. It's a bit of a water park, a little water slide.
A water slide actually works?
Yeah. Such beautiful island with such poverty that goes on in behind it. Beautiful though.
Where there's a fish that size, there's one even bigger somewhere else. Waiting to get that one.
got it. My own master with my sister too. She was supposed to get married once, and they were allowed to buy it. She was gonna do 10, 10, 20, 20, so October. We did 10, 20. We bought a house. Yeah, that's what they did. They couldn't have a wedding. She said Greece was cool because of like the stuff you got to see there, like the Parthenon or whatever it's called. And like stuff that you see, like the tourist attractions in Greece. She said was cool. She said Turkey's not worth it at all. I really have to.
Down from the promenade just outside the casino is the sports bar. Playmakers. And I just noticed one of the things they do here is they put what games they're going to be playing and what dates. So that's kind of neat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Share it with somebody you like, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.